Morning, first year students. Today, let us discuss another important literary term in English literature that is called the Restoration. The Restoration period has a historical significance as well as literary significance. So, the term Restoration means the restoration of monarchy. It was the restoration of monarchy. Now, what do you mean by monarchy? Monarchy means a person's rule, the king's rule, the rule of a single person. So, in English literature, there was a significant event called restoration. So it was not only the restoration of monarchy, but it was the restoration of the art of literature. Then let us talk about the period of restoration. The period of restoration begins in 1660 when the English, Scottish, and Irish monarchies were all restored under Charles II. Now, what happened before the restoration? In 1642, Charles I was killed, he was beheaded, and in between 1642 and 1660 came the Puritan age. Now, in that age, what happened? All the theatres were closed because the Puritans thought that art and literature are not good for the moral development of human beings. So, it was a setback in the field of arts and literature. The Puritan age, in the Puritan age, all the artists, they were afraid of creating new things. They were afraid of writing something. They were afraid of painting a new picture. Theaters were also closed. And if the literary people wrote something, they wrote under a pressure. They wrote under some pen names or disguises, and the freedom of creativity was totally curbed. So, and after restoration of monarchy in 1660, the theatres were reopened. Literature and arts started thriving once again. So, when Charles I became the king, he was one of the most it was one of the most turbulent means filled with disturbance period in the history of England. Now, in 1649, I'm sorry, I gave the wrong date, 1642. 1649, Charles I was executed, and there came the rule of parliamentarians, the Puritan. It is also known as the Puritan age in between 1649 and 1660. Then in 1660, on April 4th, 1660, Charles II was restored on the throne. So, with the restoration of monarchy, this term came into existence. It was not only the restoration of monarchy, but it was the restoration of all sorts of arts and literature. Then he made several promises in relation to the reclamation of the crown of England. Monarchy was established once again, and but Charles II was a powerless king who is remembered for more easy morality of his court, reflected in much of his literary and artistic production. Then there were several cultural impacts of restoration. Because restoration was an event as drastic as the English, restoration cannot be without its effect on society. So one of the most important literary achievement of this period was the Restoration Comedy. It is the most significant event which is connected with the emergence of this period. Now, comedy is a form of satirical theatre where sexually explicit comedies poked fun at various social issues of the times. Remember, during the Puritan age, all the theatres were closed, but with the Restoration, this type of comedy came into existence. The theatres were reopened after the Puritan closing, and it was the birth of a new type of theatre characterized by comedy of manners also. Another type of comedy which thrived was comedy of manners, and it is known for its exaggerations. Then, Restoration comedy was strongly influenced by the introduction of the first professional actresses. Now, before Restoration, what happened? Male actors used to play the role of female actors. They used to disguise as ladies and play the role of various female actors in drama. So this was the period of introduction of female professional actresses in the stage. Now there are many differences between the Renaissance dramas and the Restoration plays. First of all, the audience to whom it is addressed. Now, besides, numerous changes were also applied in the stage design. The Elizabethan theatres disappeared. New theatres with a roof set, sophisticated ways of stage, lighting, and women actors were built. So there was a new change in the look and the working of theatres. One of the popular theatre was the Theatre of Dorset Gardens, which staged a lot of Restoration comedies, and there were also far reaching effects on literature, and a new stream of writing known as Restoration literature was born. So, overall, it was a period of development in the field of literature, especially comedy. Then, as I told you, that literature gained a new life. Even the classics were revived during this period. Then poetry, in the field of poetry also, Restoration proved very fruitful. It was the age of poetry. Not only was poetry the most popular form of literature in this period, but it also was the most significant form, as poems affected political events and immediately reflect the times. We get the reflection of history, the contemporary history of that time in literature. Even prose was developed. Prose in the Restoration period is dominated by Christian religious writings. But the Restoration also saw beginnings of two genres, two forms of literature that would dominate the later periods. They were fiction and journalism. Now, the end of Restoration, there are several opinions on which the English Restoration actually ended. Some people term only the event of returning of Charles II as the Restoration, while others maintain that the entire regime was the Restoration. Other people believe that the Restoration applies to the period from Charles II's ascension in 1660 to the fall of James in 1688. But there are a variety of opinions. So, the basic things we have to keep in mind about Restoration is that, first of all, historically, Restoration was the period of restoration of monarchy, a single person's rule, king's rule, and it was the end of the Puritan age. And what happened during the Puritan age? Theatres were closed, new creations were discouraged. People thought that art, literature was bad, so it was a setback for artists. And with the restoration of monarchy came the restoration of art and literature. In 1660, again, the theatres were reopened with a lot of changes, with a lot of developments. And again, the writers started creating new literature with a free mental setup. Thank you.